Hello everyone, today we will discuss about Advanced Engineering Mathematics 10 edition. This is the tough subject in mathematics. Many students face so much problem to solve the question of Advanced Engineering Mathematics. Now you don't worry about this, you can learn Advanced Engineering Mathematics from my YouTube channel CodeWithWaqas where I already teach the first 2 chapters. Now our 7th chapter is going on. What the topics the Advanced Engineering Mathematics cover? Actually it is divided into the 7 parts. First ordinary differential equation, first to 6 chapter included, and after that linear algebra 7 to 10 chapter, Fourier analysis 11 to 12 chapter, complex analysis 13 to 18 chapter, numeric analysis 19 to 21 chapter, optimization graph 22 to 23 chapter, and probability statistic 24 and 25 to 25 chapter. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel where you can upcoming videos of advanced engineering mathematics. Thanks for watching.